Hello friends, today that is on September 28, 2022. So I have taken few trades. So sorry, let's see how the trades went. So the very first stock we'll be discussing from auto sector. So that is EICHER Motors. Mm, yeah. So before speaking about the stock, let's see how the sector has performed. So let's see. So in the first half of the day, it was continuously making bullish momentum. So putting this in mind, so I parallelly thought of going for a long position. So if you see Eicher Motors, so it is also making a bullish momentum, and I thought of going for a long position in 5 minutes time frame. So after formation of this small confusion candle and a small bullish candle, so I thought of going for a long position with a small stop loss. So my entry price was at 3595. So after formation of this swing, so 1045 candle swing, so I thought of going for a long position. Entry I have placed at 3595, and I have placed my stop loss at 3590, exactly at below of this candle. So that is at below of 1045 candle was my stop loss. Entry got triggered in 1110 candle, and so I have exited at 3610, 3615. So that is in this candle at 1135 candle. I have exited my position. So the reason is very simple. So I unconsciously exited this position without noticing. So unconsciously I have exited. So or else it would have given me good rally. So here our risk reward is uh, 1 is to 3, we can say. And one more thing. So only 25% of my quantity got executed. So the reason might be because of less number of sellers. So let's see the other stocks. IT. So I have traded in a HCL. See, 28 September candle, right? This is 27th. So when I take it in small time frames, it is not showing. So I don't know the reason. So before recording this video, I have checked, and now I am directly saying it to you. So I don't know the reason why it is not showing. So here 28th candle, you can see right here formation of 28th candle. So I'll say my entry and stop loss points, and I'll also say whether it hit my stop loss or not. Entry I have taken at 9 to 3. So my stop loss was at 9 to 1, and it hit my stop loss. It went till 9 to 6, but I did not exit. So it hit my stop loss. So the thoughts stock, so that is from banking sector. If you see the sector, so it was in sideways and then converted into downwards. So parallelly, I followed the trend, and I have placed my entry at 1409. So it came till 1410. So after formation of this bearish candle, so that is after formation of 1220 candle, and immediately after formation of 1225 candle. So bearish candle followed by a red candle. So I thought of going for shorting, and I have placed my entry at 1409, and my stop loss was at 1411.50, and I have exited at 28 sorry at 230 candle. So exit point was at 1394.60. So in this candle trade, I have exited. So yeah, friends, so that is all for today. See you in the next video.